Meaning of deity.
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 Deity. Deity refers to a divine or supernatural being worshipped as having power over human affairs. This term is often used in religious contexts to refer to gods, goddesses, or other higher powers believed to have control over nature and humanity. In some cases, deities are also associated with specific virtues or characteristics, such as wisdom or love. The concept of deity is central to many religions and belief systems around the world, and has played a significant role in shaping human cultures and societies throughout history.